Well, hey there team, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to some more Orbit Industries. I am having such a blast with this. Oh, this is cool. You can see the built admin error. Yeah. So the errors compound if they're not bulkheaded, I believe is the idea. Is the game not playing? Yeah. Okay, so I was thinking, I know it's dangerous, I shouldn't do that. So we could do some cool things with this space station. Is there a way to, there's not really a way to, yeah, it's difficult to navigate the space without, you have to sort of click to make the camera hop. The camera only pivots, it doesn't really, I can zoom in and out, but I can't really move the camera other than jumping from spot to spot. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so something I was thinking about is errors spreading. Oh, that's not good. There's a couple of different build methodologies you could use to do some interesting stuff. And I was thinking, like, is it possible to make a hexagonal ring sort of thing? And even then, what's the point? Because the most basic building block would be this, right? Spokes. And you could build around the concept of having spokes go out and then having things on the end, like this, right? Exactly like this. But the problem is that doesn't leave you a lot of room for expansion, right? So what can you do there? And the rotational kilter is cool, but remember, it's not really a true 6 degrees of freedom. It's just rotating around there. So if I wanted to make a hex, funnily enough, I could probably do it easiest with a, well, because I would have to have essentially this. I could squeeze this down. Is there not a smaller corridor? That's the smallest corridor that we've got, right? However, you could just put a connector straight on. Oh, now that is interesting. Hang on, what's going on there? That is a shape I'm not familiar with. Okay, that's a T-junction. Yeah, still right angles. Right angles. Okay, cool. So this one weird one here puts on the corner of a T. But that's, okay. That's ultimately just a right angle turn. That's cool that that allows for that though, doesn't it? Okay, so let's say you hypothetically put another one of these against here, but then you put it on a kilter, right? This is how you could start to make a hex at a compact level. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can sort of see it. And so you could use these as your sort of corner points. But then, apart from looking cool, what would be the point? I guess you could stick them off the ends. You could probably do it with this actually. But I think once you, like, can you destroy, I don't know if you can demolish stuff. Escape? What about this? Like, information? See, once you build it, you're kind of fucked. Can you demolish stuff, dismantle? Okay, so you can dismantle stuff off of the end, I suppose. Dismantle there, but you can't dismantle there, you can only build. Now, this is our briefing center, which we could in fact dismantle. That's cool. Can we build a new briefing center? Is that possible? Is that what that is? Briefing center. Okay, cool. So nothing's off limits. You just gotta be careful. The more you build, the more you get yourself into a bit of a headache. Right. So, I don't know, maybe we do try this sort of little hex design that I've got floating around in my head. Okay, cool. First things first is we're gonna need to get some distance. Right. Let's just build another one of them. You know what though, because you can't rotate the camera at all. Like, you see what I mean? There is a fixed XY axis going on here. That's interesting. That will actually inform how we start this. Okay, cool. So let's put a, I guess they're all like the same price, aren't they? Though I guess you can kilt it that way as well. Oh, that's interesting. Alright, we're going to put that there. And then we're going to put this there. Right, and this is how we're going to begin our little hex. Now, when I say little, how small do we want to build it? Because where are we going to put the buildings? And I feel like the buildings might actually come off the arm of the hex. That makes sense. So, doing something like that, and then going... No, we'd need a pass through. Next connector. Yeah, right. So you'd want something like that, I think. Alternately, rotate. Yeah, I think we'll go with the T-junction for the moment. We'll see what happens. We can always try this again, you know? So we'll put it like... Oh, I guess you could have put it just there. So you do it like that, and then we'd have to put this connector here. But then, to get your hex kilter, because there's no different connectors to this, is there? Not really. You would do that. Oh shit, hang on. No, dismantle. What I want to put is a little thing here. And then... Oh, you know what? We could put that... no, because we potentially want expansion capacity. And it doesn't really... It costs the same price anyway. So we'll put that there. Right. Put this here. And now we're cooking with gasoline. All right. Do you see? Do you see it starting to happen now? You can build this... Well, I say hex, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. It's more of an octagon, isn't it? But you know what I mean. I've been using the wrong word the whole time because I haven't been thinking too hard. Yeah, no, we've only got the 8 degrees of rotation, so that's what it's going to be. So that's kind of cool, isn't it? That's cool. I'm pretty happy with that. So now we can do that, and then I guess we can build off of here. We've also got all these other expansion opportunities too. Yeah. And I guess you'd put a bulkhead there. Right, that's probably the smart thing to do. And then we'll figure out where we're at with the projects and all that sort of shit. Complete. The commission's completed. Oh, that's right. Yes.
Further analysis of the recovered data core revealed an extremely advanced type of subatomic energy compound.
Oh.
For easier communication, OmegaQ was chosen as a project name for this compound.
Right.
A basic resource for OmegaQ is a rare metallic mineral. The Commission requests the construction of a mine to start the production of OmegaQ.
Okay. Get a mine going. Right. And what happened here? Collect details of something. Now, this is over-engineered to the fucking nth degree, because you could just as easily do this in a square. In fact, it would be less fucking around to do it in a square. But still, you know, I was just thinking about it. I was like, that's an interesting sort of shape that we could probably manifest. Alternately, you could just stick to just having a straight arm. See, because that's the thing as well. Like, I haven't really thought beyond doing it in 2-dimension. I haven't thought about the 3rd-dimension component, like into depth and how best to make the most of that. And it really makes me wonder if honestly, even though I did this and it was a cool thing to sort of experiment with, it really makes me wonder if at its core, what we should just be doing is building it as basic bitch as possible, right? So I'm going to experiment down this end as well, right? And what I'll do is chuck a long one here. We'll put that kilter back on, right? Might actually bulkhead this as well. Just cut it off from everything. And then we'll just do that. Bang. Right? Simple as that. And then this is going to be our origin. We're just going to build from there out and see what happens. And then delete and rebuild like as required. Okay, so the mission. Invalid because we need that. Whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. Maybe I need to research it. Conference room. Conference room. A modern design meeting room. Oh, look, that requires that computing as well. With technical equipment at the highest level and a modular chair and table concept. Thanks to the high-speed connection to the OmniNet, the room is not only suitable for meetings in the presence, but also for remote meetings. Oh yeah, work from home. Wonderful. Okay, cool. Let's get some contracts going. Because 5.8, I'm not sure. What's this? Optimization of a production process. Sounds pretty generic. Let's do that. What about this? Equipment maintenance. Mate, you got to do what you got to do. Civil administration. Okay. Cool. Sounds good. Yeah, so what's going on here? Looks like we need more administration. So let's do that. That's our priority now. So we'll just straight up build. Now, do we bulkhead everything? I guess we do. That's the smart move. That's the smart money. Bulkhead, bang. Administration. Where is it? There it is. And I guess we'll do it like that. Right. Go abstract. Got a bunch of bulkheads to plug in. See, now the problem with the way that I'm building this is everything's starting to get in each other's way. So how are we going to fix that? We should probably... Okay, that's cool, but we'll get this battery out of the road. Yeah. Okay, move this to here. What if I put you like that? No, let's do this. And what we'll do is we'll delete that. How do I delete wire? It says new wire. Can't I how do I delete? How come I can't delete my wires no more? Oh, that's one way of doing it. Alright. Right. That's a bit neater. Okay. Bulkhead. What are you doing to me, game? Destroy. Game, please stop. Why? Why is it all of a sudden so difficult? That's better. Okay. Deployable systems. Admin. Like, why? Why, game? Destroy. Much better. Oh, look at that. Neat and tidy. Right, so that just auto connects on its own. Okay, cool. Efficiency's not fantastic. What's going on with admin? It need more power. Alright, so let's get out of here. So, to get a battery going, if I want to build in my new little world, see there's this, and then there's that. No, this one's perfect. That's exactly what we need. So we'll put a battery there. I think we needed environmental as well. Did we not? Let's do that. All right, we'll go back to abstract. Battery. Alright, okay, I'm starting to get a bit less crap at this. Environmental, I guess we can just keep tacking onto there. Alright, environmental's 100%. Yep, cool. Admin's still having some problems. Why? Workforce, perhaps? Output max. Ah, there you go. It is workforce. My workforce is doing 100%. All right, we'll go back to here. So, probably should have bulkheaded that. Fuck. We'll go workforce module there. Now, we should probably start a new column for this. This is interesting because we're going to have like this super highway. The wiring should probably dictate what I'm doing, right? Like what needs what. Like putting the workforce somewhere like this. Right, and if I were to move that, for example, like that, you see what I mean? So input max, what's that? Oh, that's my airlock. Right, okay, so I need to build another airlock. Now that's going to be interesting. Where do we bloody put that? I mean, we'll just stick it here because I'm going with this sort of fundamental system. Bulkhead. Airlock. Look at that, it's so in the way. Right, abstract. So we could probably double stack these bulkheads as well. You know what I mean? If I'm gonna run it down a sort of, yeah, I'm gonna restructure everything. This is great. This is an actual engineering game or logistics management, efficiency management. Oh, I love it. See, now that's blue and yellow. Oh no, that's all three. So all three could go like down here somewhere. Because we'll move the batteries at some point. So that's generating orange. Is that the idea? Yeah. Output. New project available, cargo bay. Okay, so that's made that work better. That's cool. Our efficiency's back up. Probably need more power again. That's fine. We'll build some more batteries. Yeah, I really should check the project situation. Complete. Look at this. Optimization done. Oh yeah, I'm bleeding money because I'm fucking around. All right, equipment maintenance, conference room, Bonza, civil administration. All right, where's the mission at? OmegaQ is chosen. Explore technology. We need to, basic resources, rare mechanical, okay. We need to establish a mine, right? And I don't know, that symbol's not something I have yet, I don't think. Cargo bay. Let's give that a go. Don't know if that generates anything specific, but yeah, I think we just keep pushing out the R&D. Right? What else can we do here? Strategic analysis, optimization, civil administration. We'll just keep doing these basic projects for the moment, I think. Bearing in mind that we need, like, what's that? BCE. We need another briefing control. But we also want another battery, didn't we? So here's the doozy. We've built on all those sort of axis. Are all the buildings kind of flat? They are, aren't they? They're like little, they're all pancake-like. Okay, so there's something there. So what if we do my little kilter thing? Right, get a little bit of space. Build that. And that should be enough clearance, surely. Surely. Okay, cool. Let's build this. No, we'll bulkhead that. Fucking bulkheads, man. Bulkheads for days. Am I driving my company into the ground by building all these bulkheads? It's a good question. Let's build 16,000. Right, they're not cheap, are they? Right. And we want another bulkhead here. And we want another, this, BCE, Briefing Center. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. All right. Abstract. Deployables. We need to rethink where we put in the batteries. Let's move this first. Right. These bulkheads are becoming a pain in my ass. Oh, because there's no redundancy, I can't delete it out. Right, now I can though. Surely. No? Uh-oh. I'm creating problems here. Hang on. Oh, you know what? I might have to disconnect the power. Full stop. That might actually do the job. Oh man, this is becoming fucking... this is becoming overwhelming. Oh no. Oh no. So the thing about the airlocks is they source that, don't they? Oh my god, yeah, this is becoming out of control. I need a system. I need a better system than what I've got. I might have to do like what I'm doing with the main space station, is go like, I'm just going over here. I'm just doing my own thing now. Right. Bulkhead. Bulkhead wants power. Can I run it straight up? No. Right. Briefing center wants all three. I might just squeeze it in here for the moment. What a mess. Okay. Okay. Drone squad, new project. Oh, cool. All right, what's going on here? Completed strategic analysis. Optimization, done. Civil administration. Research. Oh. Drone squad. No, that's... Okay, I think I just got to keep doing more research. Look at this. Battery for unmanned, unarmed, short-range, partially autonomous drones. Each of them equipped with a Class 4 sensor array and has a maximum cargo capacity. Oh, that's sick. So much of this game is just awesome. All right, so we're unlocking a whole bunch of cool new systems, but we're still not at the OmegaQ thing that I want, right? $6,000, that's all right. We're doing fine. Assessment of troop distribution. Sounds good. Let's do that. See, look at this. This requires opening a new holy place on Amper. Oh my god. OmniWeb art exhibition. Yeah, so I need to research this Q product or whatever the bloody hell it is. Optimization. Oh, look at this. Super optimization. Bonza. Okay, cool. What's this? What is that? Oh, RDI. Radar interface. Dudaki. Okay, cool. Well, yeah. It's been fun experimenting with this space station. Oh look, dudes are airlocking in. Need more workforce. Oh man, I love this game and I absolutely love that it's this edge of exploration, technological tree. You know, there's not a huge amount of adversity. Obviously, I've got to balance my book and I've got to keep the errors from sort of spreading. But as long as, you know, they seem to be quite easily offset by the bulkhead, which makes it a bit of busy work, bulkheading fucking everything, you know. But we'll see where it goes because the bulkhead was not something we started with originally. Maybe we run into more error problems, more adversity as we go on. I'm curious. I hope that's not it. I hope that it's not just build 10,000 bulkheads and you've got no problems. But yeah, I'm curious at how deep it goes down the rabbit hole. So far, incredible promise, but it does need more. It needs more to hold me. All right, team, might just leave it there for the time being, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.